Good morning, student. Welcome back. Today we start our new chapter, that is admission of partner. In previous videos, we studied about change in profit sharing ratio, reconstitution of firm, treatment of accumulated profit and loss, workman compensation reserve, IFR, and revaluation account and capital account. These are the basic things for all the chapters of partnership. These topics are also included in admission, in retirement, in death, in dissolution. So remember that topic and go through that video. So let's come on the topic, that is admission of partner. Admission of partner is reconstitution of the firm. With the admission of partner, existing agreement ends and new agreement among all the partners, including incoming or new partner, comes into existence. Capital contribution by the new partner, his share of profit, and other conditions are agreed upon. The new partner, on joining, becomes liable for the liability of the firm and entitled to have share in assets and future profit of the firm. According to section 31 of Indian Partnership Act, a person can be admitted as a partner if it is so agreed in the partnership deed. Second, in the absence of the above, if all partners agree for the admission. After admission, the new partner gets following two rights. First one, right to share in assets, and second one, right to share in profit. So right to share in assets, for this right, the new partner brings an agreed amount of capital either in cash or kind or in the form of assets. Right to share of profits, for acquiring this right, the new partner brings some amount which is known as premium. So when new partner admitted, then he will bring the capital in cash or in the form of assets, or he bring a goodwill for acquiring share, because old partners give them some share, they compensate, and new partner compensate by the goodwill. Adjustment required. First one adjustment is change in profit sharing ratio. Second one thing is valuation and adjustment of goodwill. Third one adjustment is treatment of undistributed or accumulated profit and loss. Fourth one point is revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Next one is capital account, and last one is balance sheet. In previous year, one more topic is there, that one is adjustment of capital, but now it was deleted by the CBSE. So we have to discuss about only capital account and balance sheet, not to the adjustment of capital. So let's come on the first topic, that is change in profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio change on admission of a partner in the existing firm as a partner after admission become entitled to share profit of the firm. Since new or incoming partner acquire his share from old partner, therefore it is necessary to determine the change in profit sharing ratio. It means new ratio, sacrificing ratio, or gaining ratio. New profit sharing ratio. New ratio is the ratio in which all partner, including new or incoming partner, will share future profit and loss of the firm. Following situations may arise for the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Situation 1, when only new partners ratio is given, then it is assumed that old partner will continue to the share of the remaining profit in the agreed ratio. Then in the absence of any other agreement, it is pre-assumed that the old partner will continue in share the remaining profit in the same ratio in which they were sharing before the admission of the new partner. For example, A, B, C are partner. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. D admitted as a new partner for 1/6 share of profit. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Here only D share is given. That means A, B and C or other partner will continue share the remaining profit in the same ratio in which they are sharing before the admission. So firstly, we assume that let profit be 1 rupees 1 and D's share of profit is 1/6. So remaining share will be 1 minus 1 upon 6. So new ratio, that is 1 minus 1 upon 6 is equal to 5 upon 6. So new ratio will be new ratio of A, B and C. Old partner will share the remaining profit in their old profit sharing ratio. Remaining profit will be 5 upon 6. So A share will be 5 upon 6 into 3 upon 6 and B share will be 5 upon 6 into 2 upon 6 and C share will be 5 upon 6 into 1 upon 6 means 1/6 of 5 upon 6, 2/6 of 5 upon 6 and 3/6 of 5 upon 6. That will be A's new share is 5 upon 12, B's new share is 5 upon 18, C's new share is 5 upon 36 and D's share is 1 by 6. So, new share of A, B, C and D 5 upon 12, 5 upon 18, 5 upon 36 and 1 upon 6. So firstly solve the denominator, that is LCM of 12, 18 and 36 and 6 is 36. 12 3s are 36. So A share will be 15. 18 2s are 36. So B share will be 10. 36 1s are 36. So C share will 5 upon 36 and D share will be 6 6s are 36, that is 6. So new ratio is 15:10:5:6.